Hey girls, hey! I'm Kalia Willis, and you guys are up for another video of the slime tester part 2. So every single episode, I thought that I could do every single thing I do. I think I should have part 2s and part 3s. So this one's gonna have about part 2, and my second one is gonna be the slime that I made. Remember, the slime tester. Remember I made it. I'm on the same day, and so today we're gonna make it a stress ball. Remember how I said I'm gonna make it stress balls in 2? Well, this is the one. So here's what we're gonna need. We're gonna need slime, a water bottle, balloon. Here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna grab the water. We're gonna grab the balloon. We're gonna kind of stretch it out. Okay. Now that I stretched it out, I'm gonna wrap it around the opening hole right here. As you can see, look. Now it may not be perfect, but we're gonna need a little bit of help, or not. You're going to grab your balloon and you're going to center it in the middle and pull it down. Grab your stuff. You're kind of just going to liquidy pour it down in there. Oops. Now you're going to kind of have some trouble. Here's the part where you're going to have trouble for it. Taking it off. Okay, so now that my little stuff is in here, we're going to kind of blow it up. So we'll blow it in the inside a little bit. So I'm just going to kind of clean this part so I don't actually eat it. Okay, I'm going to blow it. Okay. This much. Now I'm going to tie it. Please ask for permission to tie. Okay, this is going to be really challenging for people because there's it's really challenging. This is challenging for me a little because my hands, they're not right, kind of. Ow. See? Look, I got muscular stuff all over the place. So I'm just going to dry off my hands. I'm ready. Get some air out. Hold on. Okay, I finally got it. It just took me 2 minutes to do, apparently. So now we got this, and here's a little stress spot, and when you look at it, so we got a little stress bar here with slime in it. This is really, really cool and fun to make. So I'm really glad I got this chance, and please subscribe to this channel if you want more, and give me some comments. Yeah, give me some comments if you're gonna actually do this or not. Please get the recipe, and if you're gonna try to make the same slime I did, which was it's kind of liquidy and puffy. It's like a cloud mixed with regular kind, but it's really cool. And if you really would like to get that experience, please go to my other video, and you would get the same supplies too to make it. Fortunately, yeah. Oh yeah, and please subscribe to the channel called Kalia. All you have to do is just type in Keliyeah, and then you would see this little girl, and she's in a circle bubble. You know how that would look. And you'd see this baby, and it's kind of brown. That would be me. So my name's Kalia, and please subscribe and please comment down below. Thank you. Oh yeah, P.S. You guys will see more videos tomorrow. And basically, every Sunday I'm gonna make videos. So thank you very much. Please subscribe, thumbs up if you like, and comment down below to see if we're gonna try this recipe. Thank you.